Hey Rush fam, welcome back to the channel. You know it's Rush the Discovery Boss. If you haven't subscribed yet, remember to subscribe. It's completely free. So we're outside of Kingston, we're in St. Thomas, and yes, we're back on the road, back on tracking the St. Thomas leg of the Southern Coastal Highway project. That's what we're taking a look on today. So we're gonna do a video right here. So this is where it starts to divert the original road and run through the mountain to save time, save distance, but you guys will get to see it from the drone view. So stay tuned. It's a drone video, as you guys know, and I'll show a little bit more of the road work that they're doing as well. From Arbor View coming down, they're turning it into 4 lanes. So that's gonna ease with traffic, that's gonna ease time as well. So drone video, I'm gonna try to show mostly shots from above, so you guys can stay tuned for that. Alright, so we're basically in 10 miles Bull Bay. So this is a newly constructed bridge as well, and what they have done is to cut through the hilly terrain to divert from the original road, which is right over this side. So that's the original road. So that would have gone around the hilly terrain, but they're changing all of that. So you guys will see from the drone as well. So I think this section will run straight back to around the other side, which ends, I think right there is Marabella Estate. So I'll do a video from there as well. So I'll do a series of video, one here, one at Marabella Estate, one by Grand Spen as well, so you guys can have an idea and you guys can see the progress of the work. So based on how things look, I would say probably hopefully before the end of 2023. So we have 6 months before the year ends, so hopefully before the end of 2023 they may be finished. If not, it's early next year based on what I'm seeing on the ground. So this is where we're at. So they're now working on the 4 lanes, putting in the dividing barrier, stuff like that. So they're not allowing any vehicle through. I think there was an article where a vehicle was driving on one of the highways that they're working on and meeting a serious accident. Don't remember if any lives were lost, but persons tend to try and use the unfinished road, which is very dangerous. So let's set up the drone, let's get some aerial shots, and then after this video you guys stay tuned for another video from a different section of this St. Thomas leg of the Southern Coastal Highway project. Billions of dollars being spent. What do you guys think? Remember to share your comments, let me know.